Yo, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Ty back with another banger. Yo, so today, right? Today we're gonna get right into this thing. Alright. Crazy little account flip. Nothing too crazy. I feel like it can get crazier, but here's my week. Was able to knock that out in a week. 400 to 9,415.
Tell them to bring me my money.
Right? That's the week. Let's go to the settings. I'm gonna click the settings just so you can see the top of the thing change, because you know how people be trying to finesse the shit. You know what I'm saying? They be trying to finesse it. So go back and then I'll zoom out so you can see as well. Then I'll start scrolling through some of these trades as well, just so you can see. You feel me? Like what it was and shit like that. So there goes the balance. That's the date of. That is the 31st. I don't know if you can see that. The 31st. Alright. I don't know if to show the date and shit, but that's the 31st. Put 400 in there. And then just run that bitch up, right? So try to get flawless victory. Wasn't able to get a flawless victory this time. Took a few L's. I was able to get out the L's quick though. You feel me? Like I was trying this little experiment with Bitcoin, so that's why my Bitcoin trade looked like this. You feel me? And it's crazy because those Bitcoins now are fucking running. On another account, I got those shits busting. But we'll get on that. That's a whole nother video. Alright, so here's some NASDAQ shits. SPX5. Feel me? Like I said, I almost got out of there with a flawless victory. I missed like 4 trades, you know what I'm saying? Which is pretty cool. Feel me? Missed 4 trades, but it is what it is. So I'll go over a few of the trades. I guess some of the last trades. And you know, you probably like, why do you sell NASDAQ down for that price? Like NASDAQ actually hit the highest price of the year. So when I seen that, I kind of waited for it to start showing me some bearish candles, and you know, I knew it was time to short that bitch down. Now I thought it was gonna really go, you know, much lower than what it's showing you here. You feel me? But you know, it is what it is. Once again, like I said, this is my real shit. You know what I'm saying? A little flipper account. So I don't really care about this account like this. I'll probably fucking take the money and just invest that shit in my tour. I got a tour coming up, you know what I mean? So it's only like 10 bands. Should have given me something, you know what I'm saying? Give me something or whatever. But this the little flip, so I'm gonna go in and talk about some psychology and shit, and then you guys just stick around for that psychology part. Alright?
Yo, what's going on? I would say it's your boy Ty, and I'm back with another banger, but we're just continuing the video. So let me take a hit of this motherfucking NASDAQ of 100 here. So we'll start at the NASDAQ, right? And the trade, we'll start at the last few trades. I'll pull them up on the screen, right? I'll have them somewhere, I guess, somewhere on the screen, right? All right, so the first thing we're gonna look at is, well, since we're on NASDAQ, is this NAS sell. The first one was 558 to 562. I cut it after 4 points. I wasn't gonna let that shit get out of hand. Once it shot up a little bit, I got it from 582 to 574. All right, so you're probably like, okay, why were you selling NASDAQ, you know, when the price was high? So basically, you know how the market goes, right? Seen price shooting all the way up here. I was able to, you know, pretty much ride all the way through here. It got to this little supply area or liquidity zone, right? And once it got there, I already knew, well, one thing, price is high as fuck, so I'm not gonna buy it until it breaks that zone. All I had to do was wait for it to start showing me a little bit of red, you know, and initially it spiked up, but it wasn't against me. Like, I wasn't gonna let anything really go against me like that. As you can see in some of the cuts, I cut fast, right? So after it spiked up, this shit starts showing me red, and I'm like, oh shit, it's already in the liquidity zone, it's already in the supply area. What I need to do is get ready to short. So I seen that shit at a high price. It was already super high for the day, shorted it down. All right, so shorted that bitch down. This is where the high area was at right here. So you see all these high prices right here. So let you see once that bitch got all the way up, right? Start shorting it down. Now those 550s, I think those were previous to before this shit shot back up. The shit was shooting up all fucking day, right? Let me pull up my my joint again. I'll do the 588 short, so 588. Okay, so here it is right here, 588. This looks like a second one. So 588, 588. Just little quick shorts, right? 588. It's like 88 right here. Boom. And then I cashed out at 577. So that motherfucker at 77. I closed it. Boom. But I had a 0.12 in, so I only was able to take like 100 from that. That's one trade, right? Another one, like I said, they're right here, 602 to 559. So I don't know exactly where this mug is. I'm just redoing it where the price could have been 602. 602 could have been right here. Could have shot all the way up again. Oh no, this is April 6th. Oh shit, these are the 6th. Okay, so cool. Fuck it. So 602 is like right here. So in a sense, you see this little double top or triple top. Probably not. I don't see that. Well, I'll go here and I'll show you. Right. Little triple top out. Bam, bam, bam. So I'll probably see that 602 somewhere like right here, close to this break. 602, and then that dropped to 559, and then I had another trade. That last trade was 623 to 560. So this one is 602 to 559. So 602 right here, boom, 559. That's when that bitch basically popped like right here. Now in this chart is not showing you the full, pull all the way to the bottom. But, that bitch moved all the way to the downside, and those were those trades. So really, it was just really quick scalps. There's not even a lot of points, like 602 to 559, like 50-point scalps, and stuff like that. So, like I said, if you want to know, I guess, how understanding Japanese candlesticks, that's like the first joint, right? So the first thing you want to do is know your candlesticks. You need to know how to read. If you can't read, it's going to be hard to succeed. If you cannot read, it's going to be hard to succeed. So Japanese candlesticks, that's the first thing. The second thing is you want to know how to identify a trend. Okay, identify a trend. The third thing is go watch one of my live videos. It's a bunch of them on my page, you feel me? So go watch one of my live videos. That's how I did it. Now, it's your boy Ty. Like I said, if you want to see more live trading and stuff like that, I go live every single Monday in my own private group. If you want access to that, like I said, somewhere on my YouTube, you can find a link for that. I'm not going to go ahead and spam it throughout this video because it's not that video. I'm just showing off the skill and what you can do. If you stay consistent and you know what you're doing, you can flip any bread, any money in whatever span of time that you want to, especially if you know what you're doing. All right, now these results aren't typical, you feel me? So you study up though. You study up, you'll be able to run that shit up forever. Now, it's your boy Ty. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I have a $1,000 giveaway coming soon, so you definitely want to be tuned in for that. Turn on that notification bell. Boom! It's your boy Ty, and I'm gone. Peace.